Why did you attack me? You can't do damage to me.
Okay, you say that. 你話嘅
Something is coming in 3 days.
something coming. What something? Can you 乜鬼啊 ？Can you？
No, you don't.
係咪？
I'm just a hero for fun.
需要燈面。
佢話你唔需要知。
Why? He's so fucking sus. 佢話咩啊？
你係咪過嚟我度啊？Ura
咩啊？
鬼意啊！
跳啊！話咩啊？
我睇唔到。
I do not like playing alone.
佢話佢唔中意自己玩。
佢唔知自己玩你就要殺我，仆你個街！我哋兩個都係光頭嘅。
Look behind you.
咩啊？Look
佢話望你後邊。
冇嘢。Really? What do you know？
你啱啱講咗嘢，有啲人聽唔到乜嘢。
佢好似問燈面喺邊，你燈面咩？然後你話 you know everything 嘅，你話咩啊？
信我。
You are mine.
面都係信我。
啊！佢人呢？ Oh, hello, bro. My new
I'm
friend.
Vanity, your personal helper friend.
佢好似係
Ask me
佢好似
anything.
係